The thicken command allows you to quickly extrude 3D objects. Here's how it works. First, we're going to draw a mesh for this example. So we're going to type in the command line mesh and select the box option. We're going to draw something like this and extrude it upwards in this manner, like that. Then type in the command line thicken, select your mesh, hit enter, and the program will give you a list of options. First, it asks you to transform this to a solid or a surface. So we're going to select the last option here, convert selected objects to faceted 3D solids or surfaces. So it'll transform it, and now we can specify the thickness. So this is the extrusion thickness. So we're going to type in 10, and as you can see, you have your 3D object now extruded. So this mesh was extruded 10 units outside.